Let's try the new Points on Path tool in DesignCAD. First, we will use cross point mark with points at a distance. We will define the distance to be 10 on the plane. We will now use circle points on the line. Now we will use circle and box on the curve. Let's try the other option of selecting distance and number of points for the next curve. Let's use the same option, but box points on the circle and the next circular entities. And for the last slot polygon, let's change the number of points to 5. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for CAD innovations.